Hello boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Auntie Stacee. I'm Auntie Stacee. I'm so glad you came to read with me. The story I'm going to share with you today is called Hello.
My name is Lolo. I have many friends. Come out with me to say hello. Hello, sun, big and bright. You fill the day with your bright light. Hello, grass, soft and green. You give us all a place to play. Hello, sky, broad and blue. You fill the sky with the color blue. Hello, moon, up in the dark. You make the night not so dark. Hello, stars, big and bright. You make the night so very nice. Hello, wind, strong and free. You blow things around and make it cool. Hello, rain, pouring down. You bring water and cool our ground. Hello, lightning, from high above. Your bright flashing light gives us a fright. Hello, thunder, roaring in the rain. You make a boom noise, so very loud. Hello, dew, drops of water. You make the ground soft and wet. Hello, tree, big and strong. You give us shade and fruit to eat. Hello, bird, flying in the sky. You fill our days with lovely songs. Hello, you, reading this book. Now you've met my friends. Please show me yours.
This is the end of the story. What was your favorite part of the story? If you enjoyed the story, ask a grown-up to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all of your cousins and friends. See you next time.